Howdy corn feeders, thanks for tuning in to today's video. Before we get started, I have a little announcement. We've got the priority sticker back in stock on our brand new Feeder Country store. You can find it in the description below. Buy a sticker, help us out, keep this channel going. Enjoy today's video.
It's Frosty from Fro's Garage, and today we're going to show you how to visually inspect the condition of your pistons and cylinders. For today's demonstration, we have removed the engine from the chassis, but that is not necessary. This is the exhaust side of the cylinders. On this model, we've removed the Y pipe for the best view inside the engine. Looking through the exhaust port, we're going to begin our visual inspection. We want to check for damages on the piston itself, the piston rings, and also the crown of the piston. We need to rotate the engine to get a good look at the cylinder wall. Now there's two ways to do this. We can grab the primary clutch and we can rotate the engine that way, or you can grab your pull start and you can pull on that and rotate the engine. Here you can watch me rotate the engine by spinning the clutch. If it's a little difficult, you can remove the spark plugs to make it a lot easier. There won't be so much compression. Looking at the cylinder wall here, we can see one decent scratch on the backside here. We want to check around the ports for any chipping of the nickel or really any damage at all. If you can feel it with your fingernail, that's no good. Continuing our visual inspection, we're going to move to the intake side of the engine. This is going to require you to remove the carburetor and reed assembly. This would also be a good time to inspect your reed pedals for any cracks or damage. Looking through the intake port, we're going to inspect the piston skirt. Everything looks good here. As I rotate the engine, we begin to see the connecting rod. This is known as the big end of the connecting rod. We want to check for any abnormal wear in the bearing here.
Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you learned something that you can apply to your personal projects in your own garage. And don't forget, if you enjoy our videos, buy a sticker, help us out, keep this channel going. Have a good day.